Alright guys, who's ready to take the C10 for a test drive? Hold up there, Bonesaw. Before our 3 minutes of playtime, we need to go ahead and patch the hole in the floorboard so I don't keep melting my face off with the heat from underneath the truck. I'm going to start out by measuring out the hole to find out exactly what size piece of metal I need. Then I'm going to go out to the crap pile and find the rustiest piece of sheet metal I can find. I'm going to bring it back inside, I'll clean it up a little bit, measure out the size I need, cut it out, hit it with a layer of red paint to make it match the paint of the truck perfectly, and then I'll just screw it on into the floor. This doesn't really matter all that much, as I plan to weld in the plug anyway before I put carpet in it. For now, I'm just happy to have the hole plugged. That aside, I think we're finally ready to drive this beast. That would be why I need a new shifter. I do have a new shifter on order. Alright, so I'm going to get into it pretty good. The carburetor on this is not quite good. See what I mean? See if we can do a burnout. Those secondaries are terrible. So there we have it, guys. The truck's finally running. Hope the audio was decent enough in the truck because I've filmed it twice now because the audio sucked the first time. I want to thank you guys for checking out the video. Go ahead and leave a comment on what you think about the truck, and don't forget to subscribe, guys.